The next segment we're going to look at will be the View by Order or Purchase Order reference. You'll click on this tab here. You have different ways. You can click on the DW order number, or you click on the PO number, the two that I usually use the most. So for this purposes, we have a PO number 123456. So we're going to click on Purchase Order Number here, go to this box here, hit 123456, and hit refresh. This will pop up every order associated with that purchase order number. It does take a while to find it sometimes. Okay, we clicked in PO number 123456, and this will show every invoice associated with that purchase order number, including any credits, debits, new orders, back orders, everything you wanted to know about that. So you can click on that, and you have the same invoice there, right, as we see that. We're going to go back to List, and you can do the same thing by the DW order number, which is the reference number right here. Click on that and do the same thing as well. But the good thing about the purchase order, it gives you every invoice associated with that. So I use that most of the time if I know the purchase order number. Okay, from there we're going to go to the item search. This is another way of looking up history. Every time you click on item search, it's going to click on that tab, it's going to pop this up. You just hit OK. You can use the 3-digit code in the millwork book or the price guide to get your item number. It's always good to use the item number. Click on that, and I'm going to use one of the item numbers of DW of that last invoice. Item number COL20 for display purposes. You can click on that. So I typed in COL20 and the item number popped up. You'll see quantity available here. You will not have that feature. I do, because I'm an outside sales rep, and I do have that feature. So I will double click on that door, hit OK again, and then it tells me my net price. I can click on Detail. You'll be able to look up the item number, your pricing. The one that really comes in handy is the history, and that will tell you the last 12 times you actually bought this order. And for display reasons, we don't have it on here, being a test customer. But that'll tell you the last 12 times you bought it, at what price, what order number, and it'll even go back to about 5 years ago, depending how many times you buy that product, but the last 12 times. We'll hit close there. You can type in other ways as well. If you're not sure what the item number is, you don't have a millwork book, you can type in product group, major product group. We'll go to doors, minor product group, click on that. Okay, you'll want to click on, let's go to masonite doors. Masonite molded. You can scroll down till you find the correct size. Let's go to find the 206 panel textured. Which would be this one right here. Highlight that. Click Detail. And there comes that pop-up box again where you can check your history of the last 12 times you bought it. Here, hit close, and that concludes that segment.